Judge tonight.
Issued at 9:49 a.m. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for central Talbot County in eastern Maryland, Kent County in northeastern Maryland, southwestern Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland until 2 p.m. At 9:49 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen for some areas. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Easton, Talbot, Chestertown, Rock Hall, St. Michael's, Overton, Grassonville, Chester, Stevensville, Old Town, Langford, and Copperville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2 p.m. for the following county: Talbot, Maryland.
Is